Let's get cracking, guys. So we've got a wicked session for you today. The first part, we're going to be working on just getting your glutes firing. I'll explain a little bit about how we're going to do this, and then we'll just get started. And then we're going to do our strength superset will be Pike press-ups, or regular press-ups if you prefer, and then pistols. We'll be flitting back and forth between those two moves, and then in the last part we'll be doing 16 minutes, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off of doing a hang snatch thruster with your dumbbell or kettlebell. And in that part you'll basically be sticking on one arm the whole time. Yeah, so you're doing hang snatch, thruster, 30 seconds work, then you get a 30-second rest, and then when you switch back in you'll be on the opposite arm. Yeah, we're just going to see how many reps we can get in that 16-minute period. So I want you guys to count your reps, so at the end we can sort of flip around and see who's done what. But for now, just jump up, find a little space, and we're just going to have a little hop like this. Just get you moving a little bit before we start the structured warm-up. Hopping from foot to foot. Nice. That's it, a little jump and twist for me. That's it, and then just into a jumping jack. Just going to do 10 reps. Nice. And then just, you can stop hopping and you're just going to reach your hands above your head, swing your arms down like this. 10 reps. That's it, and then just finish off with one last little twist and hop for me. Nice. Right. So guys, there are 4 movements in the warm-up. We're going to do the first round together, and I'll explain each movement, and then on the second round we'll just go through without as much explanation. So the first movement is called, it's like a lateral leg raise. So what I'm trying to do, I stand as tall as I can, yeah, and this part of the range of motion is really easy, so I don't want to use that. I lift my leg up to here where the range of motion gets a bit harder, and I feel a cramp in my bum cheek here, and I just, like this, lifting as high as you can. Whoops, lost balance. 30 reps. Yeah, I'm trying to keep my hips forward. I'm trying to keep my kneecap facing straight forward and not twisting out that way. Yeah, I'm trying to keep as tall as possible. Yeah, so we're going to go right leg together, 30 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, right. Nice. And then we'll switch, and we're going to do 30 reps on your left leg. Same thing, hips forward, kneecap facing forward, lifting in the hard part of the range of motion. Nice job. Really good. So guys, in this movement, you should be feeling like kind of crampy sensation in your bum cheek and your hips. Okay? So next movement is just an air squat. So we do version 1 air squat. Slow down, fast up, 10 reps for me. Nice job. That's it. And then we're going to do yoga press up with an alternating reach. So I have a wide stance like this. Yeah, I push back and I reach through to my right ankle. I dive forward into the press up. I reach back towards my left ankle. Dive forward into the press up. 6 reps in total. Hips to the sky, heels to the ground, and press up. Hips to the sky, heels to the ground. Nice job. Right, and the last thing we're going to do is 30 calf raises. So you've got toes and heels together, yeah, like this, and you're just controlling on the way down, keeping your knees completely locked. You're going to do 30 calf raises. Ten to go. 6, 5, 4. Jess and Phil beat me. I'm still going. 1. Nice. Cool. So that's one round of the warm-up, guys. So we're going to go straight into the second round, guys. Just remember, on the leg raise, you need to start by lifting your leg here. This is the start position, and then every rep we go up from here. Yeah? So not working down here, okay? Here we go, 30 reps with the right leg, off we go. Solid. That's it. And then we're going to go left leg. Here we go. Stay as tall as you can. Nice job. And then the next movement will be air squat again, but this time with a 3-second pause, yeah? 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 10. Solid. That's it. And then the yoga press up again. Wide legs in a straddle. I push back, grab my right ankle, heels to the ground, hips to the sky. I dive forward into a press up.
And alternate to the left ankle. Heels to the ground, hips to the sky. 6 in total. Nice. Cool. So the next movement is the calf raise. So this time we have toes out like this, knees locked, nice and tall. Draw yourself up nice and tall like a ballet dancer, and just control on the way down. 30 calf raises. Phil and Jess beat me again. More importantly, Jess beat Phil as well. Right, so I lost my train of thought. One more round, guys. Lat raises, yeah, lateral leg raise again. See how much, so what's really important here, yeah? Kneecap of the working leg stays facing straight forward, yeah? You don't twist it out over here. Yeah, also pelvis. If your pelvis turns out over here, you take all the tension off. Pelvis forward, chest forward, draw yourself up tall. 30 reps, here we go. Ooh. And then onto your left leg. Same thing. Pelvis forward, chest forward, knee, cap facing straight ahead. Draw yourself up tall. 30 reps. Lift it out and start here. Nice, really good. An air squat. This time we do a 1.5 air squat. So that's full depth, halfway up, back to the bottom, and all the way up. 10 times. Okay. So, guys, so we don't get cold, the guys on Zoom, let's start our third round, yeah? 5 to 10 more pike press-ups. Here we go. One person joined in. If you're on Facebook Live, we're on our third round of pike press-ups. Just join back in. We were taking a rest anyway, so you didn't really miss anything. Nice job, guys. Right, we got a few people back on Facebook Live. Sorry, guys, I'm not sure how long you were gone for, Facebook people. We're in our third round of pistols right now. We're starting, yeah. So straight into your pistols, Zoom, guys. Right, and then a scaled version for me on my left leg. So Facebook Live, guys, if you're just joining back, sorry, I don't know what happened with the connection. We lost you. We're on our third round of pistols. Nice. A few of you guys back in the game at least. Right. I'm going to wait till people stop pistoling on Zoom, and then we'll go back into our pike press-ups, okay? Who we got? Helen in the middle. Is that a pull-up bar in the middle, Helen? Give me a thumbs up. No, it's not. It looks like you could hang from it. Might be dangerous. Right, here we go. Last round, guys. Pike press-ups again. Oh dear. Oh, a little breather before this last round of pistols, guys. Few people back in the game on Facebook Live at least. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know what happened to the connection. All right, here we go. Last round of pistols. 5 and 5. Man. All right. So, everyone take a minute, grab a drink if you need to grab a drink, and grab your kettlebell. We'll give you a little minute to recover from that workout, and then I'll be demonstrating the movement. We'll give you a couple of practice reps, and then we'll get started on this Metcon. George and Ingrid are back in the game. I'm just going to run to the loo. Right. Facebook people, hope you can still hear me. Ingrid. Cool. So, right, next part of the workout, guys. Let's just work on the snatch to start with. So what I want you guys to do, I'm just going to talk you through this. When you snatch a kettlebell, on the way up, first of all, the bottom position should be here. If the kettlebell's swinging down here, it's no good. It needs to be right under your groin, nice long spine, eyes on the ground preferably, yeah? As you lift the kettlebell up, it stays close to your body, yeah, and locks out right above your head. As you swing it down, you sort of punch it forward, it swings out, and that enables it to get in this nice high position under your groin at the bottom of every rep. Again, close on the way up, punch it out on the way down, yeah? So it's like a D. Back of the D here, the curved front of the D is the downward trajectory, okay? So I'll demonstrate 3 reps, and then I want you guys to do 3 reps on each arm. So watch when I set up, start with the kettlebell far out in front of me, so I can pull it back. Okay, have a little go. I want you to do 3 reps on each arm. Nice job. Good. Next thing we're going to practice is a kettlebell thruster. Yeah? So it looks like this. Kettlebell starts in the front rack position. Bloody hell. 3 reps on your right arm, and then 3 reps on your left arm for me. A few more joined us on Facebook Live. Sorry guys, I don't know what happened to the connection. But you guys are back now. Nice. Right. So now we're going to put these 2 movements together. So you do 1 hang snatch, 1 thruster. You're going to do that twice on your right arm and twice on your left arm. So watch me. I'm going to do the whole thing I want you to do. 2 reps on my right arm, 2 reps on my left arm, so you get a feel for the flow. And then once you watch me, you can do your reps. So it looks like this.
opposite arm. Have a go, guys. 2 reps on each arm. 1 hang snatch, 1 thruster, 1 hang snatch, 1 thruster. Nice, Gemma. That's it. Nice. So, this is what we're going to do, guys. Guys on Zoom, you guys are going to watch me every time I go, and I'm going to watch you every time you go, okay? Yeah, so I'll call it out, 3, 2, 1, and you'll switch, and it'll be your turn, because that way you can watch me do my reps, and it's like watching a demo every time, and then you can do your reps. You can also count my reps and try and beat me if you want, okay? Guys on Facebook, you can do the same, yeah? When I say go, you go, so you can watch the demo every time. Okay, I'm just going to set this up on the clock. So remember, it's 30 seconds, as many kettlebell hang snatch thrusters as you can on your right arm, then you get a 30-second rest, and then you go. So, just setting the clock, 16 intervals. Right, I'm going to go first on my right arm, so you guys can watch me, and then I'll give you 5-second count in. 10 seconds. Three, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, go. That's it, guys. Ten more seconds. 3, 2, 1, rest. Five seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Five seconds. 3, 2, 1, rest. I'm getting 6 every time. Five seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, guys. Keep it going. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, go. Right, 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Keep it going. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, go. Five seconds. Go. Five more seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Oops. Ten seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1, go. Halfway. Five seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Eight seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Last 10 seconds. Keep going, guys. 3, 2, 1, go. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Eight seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1, go. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Ten seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1, go. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Awesome work, guys. Keep it going. Five seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Ten seconds. 4 more working intervals to go. 5 seconds out. 3, 2, 1, go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. So keep moving, guys. Three working intervals to go. 10 more seconds. 5,
3, 2, 1, go. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Two more working intervals to go. 10 more seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1, go. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Second to last interval. Five more seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Ten seconds. 5 seconds. And go. Last one, guys. Halfway through. Three, 2, 1, time. So, awesome work, guys. If you're on Facebook Live, please put a comment if you counted your reps. How many did you get? I did 6 every single interval the whole time, so that's 96. I'm just going to unmute you guys one at a time on Zoom, and either just like tell me what you thought of the workout, or if you counted your reps, you can tell me how many you got. So, Mum, you're first.
Okay, I got about 6 times.
Well done, same as me. Good job. Jess and Phil, how did you do?
He did 6 each time as well.
Very solid.
But I've only got 5.
Yeah, you're only little though, so that's still awesome. Well done. Right, Big Kev, what'd you have?
I got 10 on the first round, and then dropped to 8, and then 6 for the rest of it.
10, nice job, man. Way to attack it. What weight have you got?
Just a 20 kilo kettlebell.
Still super solid, man. Well done. Right, Helen, how did you go?
I only managed to count 1 round because I was really struggling with my brain with the movement, and on that round I got 10 on each side.
Okay, well done. Nice job. Yeah, it is a bit of a mind boggle if you're used to just doing snatches or thrusters.
Right, Rebecca, what did you get?
I did 6 each round with the 15. That's
No.
good movement, I like that.
Nice, that's really good. You know that guy, there's a CrossFit Games athlete called Bronislav Alenkovic, and he's a kettlebell world champion. He's like 100-kilo beast. So like most CrossFitters are like, you know, they're like 5'6", 5'8", and they like weigh like 85, 90 kilos. He's literally like 6'1", like 100 kilos. He's super jacked, and he's a beast. He did like a snatch with 120 kilos on a barbell with his hands together like that and caught it in an overhead squat. He's unreal. You should Insta him if you haven't. Right, Claudia, how did you do? Nicely done. I like your ring setup as well. Solid. Right, Gemma, did you count?
I got 121 in total.
121 in total. Well done. That is, I think, must take the cake because 6 is. Kev might have been close to you. You might have been like 115. Well done, Gemma. Right, James Ashley, last man. How'd you do?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yep.
I was a bit off. Kev, I blasted it on the round to 10.
Yeah.
And then I went to 8 and 6.
Awesome, man.
But I didn't have a kettlebell, so I had a 15-kilo dumbbell.
Yeah, cool, man. That's good. Well done, guys. So we're going to end it there. Guys, I just want to I know I've been saying sort of similar things the whole time, but I've learned so much about coaching and movement over the last kind of 3 weeks because of the tools and the playground being kind of taken away. Like, I'm obviously in the gym, but I literally haven't been touching any of the stuff that I'm not using with you guys because I'm spending all my time trying to be creative and figure out what is the best workout you can possibly get with very little equipment. And I honestly feel like when life resumes to normal and the gym doors reopen, like, we will be way stronger from a knowledge and from a programming perspective than when we started this thing. So I'm super excited for you guys to come back. Please engage with the online coaching that we're offering. So I'm starting to put, just message me. Becca messaged me yesterday, I want to learn pistols. Bam. I spent 2.5 hours recording pistol stuff, designing pistol programs, because I know that somebody else will ask me and I can ping that program to them when they ask me. So just if you want to learn something, even James, you've obviously got a barbell there. Claudia, you got rings there. If you guys want to, you guys think what should I do to get my strict muscle up, or what should I do on the rings, or what should I do with my bar, just message me and I'll put you on a program, especially the barbell stuff. I've got stuff that I've written over the last 3 years, because we always have barbell stuff that's set up on online coaching, and I can just put you on it, and you can basically send me videos of yourself training, and I will analyze your videos and send you feedback saying, actually, not just feedback of me talking, but feedback of me demonstrating all of your faults and explaining them, just like I do during class. So, please engage with that, guys. If you've got any questions, just give me a shout. So we're just going to finish with 3 fast claps on 3. Oh no, Claudia's video has just gone down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. See you later, guys. Well done. Right, you're all unmuted now. See you later, guys. Yeah, bye, Phil. Bye, Becca. Bye, James. Bye, Gemma. Bye, Mum. Bye, Claudia. You missed the 3 fast claps.